Welcome to our channel. Setting up Hulu on your Fire TV is quick and gives you access to thousands of shows and movies. Follow this guide to get started streaming. Step 1. Turn on your Fire TV device and ensure it's connected to the internet. Step 2. From the Fire TV home screen, navigate to the search icon, or use the Alexa voice remote to search for Hulu. Step 3. Select the Hulu app from the search results. It should show the official Hulu logo. Step 4. Click Download or get to install the Hulu app on your Fire TV. Wait for the installation to complete. Step 5. Once installed, click Open to launch the Hulu app. Step 6. On the Hulu welcome screen, select Log In if you already have an account, or sign up to create a new account. Step 7. Enter your Hulu email and password using the on-screen keyboard, or use the activation code method by visiting hulu.com. Activate on your phone or computer. Step 8. After logging in, you can start browsing and watching content immediately. Customize your profile and set up parental controls if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.